Hello world, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl C of Cycling Crochet. Guys, today I'm going to need my yarn, my stitch markers, my pair of scissors and a 3.5 mm hook, and I'm going to use acrylic yarn. You can check out how to make the top from the eye above, or you check my videos a year ago, 10 months ago, I think so. I made a tutorial on the top, so you can check it out. This is just the tutorial on the skirt. Okay, so first of all, what you do is you make your chain, and your chain, after chaining it, you put it around your waist to find out if it's okay for you. Then you continue with it, but if it's not okay, you adjust it to fit very well. Okay, so I'm making my chain. Guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell, give me a like, comment below, and check out my other videos as well. Okay, so after making my chain, yeah, so this is it. Then I make a single crochet at the end. Okay, so this is my single crochet. Then let me put a stitch marker there so that I won't get missing. Okay, so put a stitch marker. Then the next row, the first row, you're just going to make single crochet throughout. So single crochet, sorry, this is a double crochet, so single crochet, right? So you insert your hook, you pull your yarn, then you yarn over, you pull your yarn through. Okay, so yarn over, pull your yarn through like this. So single crochet throughout, and we are making single crochets of 7 rows. Okay, so we are starting with this color, and I'm going to make 5 rows of this yellow color. Then I'll change to the another color. I'll make 1 row of it, then I complete it with this yellow color. Okay, so after making your first row, you continue with the third one, making a single crochet round and round until you get to the 5th row. Of course, if you want your band to be bigger, you can continue with your single crochet till you get to that desirable band that you want. Okay, so I'm making my single crochets. Okay guys, so I have a new channel, and that one is totally different from Crocheting. It focuses on geography, history, archaeology, anything that will wow you. So the channel name is a wow world. Okay, that's the channel name. You can check it out. I've left the link down below. Okay, so you can check it out. If you love anything that will wow you, that's the channel for you. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to that channel as well. So I'm changing to this color. Okay, that's the 6th row, making single crochet as well. Then when I'm done with the 6th row, I'm going to complete it with the yellow color, and I'll be done with my band. So let's continue. Right, so guys, after making your single crochet, the next step you're going to switch to double crochets, and you're going to use the same pattern that we used for the top. So remember that we made a double crochet, we made shells of 4. Okay, so we made your first double crochet, then inside the same stitch hole you make another double crochet, then you chain 2, 1, 2, then you yarn over and make another double crochet 2 times. Okay, so 1 and 2. Okay, so we are having 4 stitches in the hole, separating it with 2 chains. Okay, then you are going to chain 4, you skip 4 stitch holes. In the fifth you make a double crochet, so in the fifth you make your shell again. So you make 1, inside the same stitch hole you make 2, you chain 2, then you make a double crochet again inside the same stitch hole, then another one inside the same stitch hole. Okay, so basically this is what you're going to do, chaining. Okay, so next of all you chain 4, you skip 4 stitch holes. In the fifth you make your shell. Okay, so you're going to make this shells with the chains throughout our work till we get to that desirable height that we want. Okay, so let's make a chain again. Okay, skip 4, in the fifth you make your shell of 4. So 1, 2, chain 2, then you add the last 2. Okay, so we are making this towards we get to a starting point. Yes, then we move on. Guys, you can see how detailed this thing is. Okay, so you go round and round and round till you get to your desirable height that you want. Now we are going to change our color to this color, to the gray color again, but the gray, we are not going to make it in a double crochet, but we are going to make it single crochets throughout. So instead of double crochet, I'm making single crochet meshes, single crochet shells. Okay, so you chain 2, then you make 2 single crochets. So you're having 4, just like we did with the double crochets. Then you chain 4, just like we did. Then I'm going to make single crochets of 4, separating it with 2 chains. Okay, just like before. Okay, so single crochets instead of double crochets. Don't forget that anytime you chain to this color, just make it single crochets. We are just using it for design. Of course, you can go on with the same color without having to make use of the single crochets. You can go on with the same color, but I'm just trying to bring a design to my skate. That's why I'm making this one a single crochet, because I don't want too much of this to be in my work. Okay, so instead of double crochet, I'm making single crochets with chains. Alright, so guys, after completing it, I'll change to a different color, a pink color. Okay, and with the pink color, I'll go back to my double crochets. Okay, so it's only this gray color that I made it a single crochet, but this one is with the pink one, making it double crochets. Okay, so this is what I have, and I ended with a single crochet of the gray color as well. Okay, so you can see it clearly over here. So I'm just using the gray to just separate my colors at the bottom. Yes, of course you can go on with your single or your double crochets. So guys, I'm going to continue with a yellow color, making the double crochets of it. Then I'm going to end with the lighter pink, and I'll end with the gray color of single crochet. So at the end, guys, this is what we have. Okay, so you can see clearly that I used the gray to just separate my colors to make it look a little bit beautiful. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as well, and I know your summer is going to be great with this skirt. I hope to see you again in my next tutorial. Bye.